Hello and welcome, guys. Here in this section of main and name, we just needs to look into detail. And here we are using the import keyword for importing the module. You would like to know whether a module function is an important, or if you are using the original .p file, .py file, or that module. For this case, we can use the line determine like that if name is equal to main. There are the underscores before this name and after this name, and also before this main and after this main as well. For example, when you are script of the mymodule.py running by command to Python interpreter like Python mymodule.py, all of the above code that is indentation level 0, like here from the indentation level 0, gets executed. Functions and classes that are defined are well defined, but none of their code gets run. Unlike other languages, there is a no main function that gets run automatically. The main function is implicitly all the code at the top level. I would like to show you here the indentation. Like this is the 0 indentation, means like this code will be the automatically run in a first go. Here this is the, yes, I would like to show you here the indentation. So name is a built-in variable. It evaluates to the name of the current module. If a module is being run directly as in mymodule.p, then name instead is set to the string main. You can test whether your script is being run directly or being imported by something else. So if name is equal to main, the code will be here, all executed will be here. If your code imported from another module, then various functions and class definitions would be imported. But you will see main code will not run. You can see the following example. Suppose we have first file, first.py, and we have function inside in it, def function, print function and first py. This is statement inside the function. Here, this is the print top level in first py. If name is equal to main, the first.py is being run directly. Else, first.py is being imported into another module. So this is the another file second.py, and we are just importing this first and print top level in second py. First dot function, and if name is equal to main, second.py is being run directly, else second.py is being imported into another module. Now if we run the code, then interpreter work like this. If we execute the first.py, the output top level in first py is being run directly. If you run second py, then that code will look like top level in first.py is being imported into another module, top level in second py, function in first py, second py is being run directly. Thus, when module first gets loaded, its name equals to first instead of main will run. So this is about the name and main, and let's execute this example. Here if we see the example first.py definition function, print function in first py, and here this print top level in first.py if name is equal to main. If you see here the name equal to main, then first pi is being run directly, else print first dot pi is being imported into another module. Let's run this code. If we run this code, then it say that here the top level in first pi execute first and first dot pi is being run directly. So these two statements run at this point. Now let's see the second dot py class here. Import first, print top level in second pi, and now we are calling the first dot function. Let's see what is available into the first dot function. First dot function in first pi is here. If name is equal to main, print second pi is being run directly. Second pi is being imported into another module. So let's execute this second one class. By this you can clear this pan, and here we run it. Then if we see what is run, firstly it top level in first dot py executed. If you see here the running of this, and first dot py is being imported into another module executed, and then top level in second pi, this statement is executed, and then function in first pi, this one is executed. So second pi is being run directly work like this way. So this is the output for the execution of this. I hope you understand the concept of main and name and enjoy this lecture. Thank you. I will be back with next lecture.